April of 2025 became a turning point in the history of global military aviation. China officially launched into the sky its newest sixth-generation fighter jet, the J-50, which is already raising concerns in the command centers of the world's leading armies. This is not just evolution, it is a quantum leap in air superiority technology. The J-50 is not merely a successor to the J-20, but a fully fledged sixth-generation fighter, which China had been developing under the strictest secrecy for more than 10 years. The project was overseen by the Chinese Aerospace Corporation, AVIC, in close collaboration with military institutions and artificial intelligence research centers. The fighter is capable of operating fully autonomously, without a pilot, or in a human plus artificial intelligence mode, where the system assists the pilot in making ultra-fast decisions. The J-50 can coordinate airborne swarms of drones, turning into a command center directly in the sky. Experimental tests demonstrated the use of active camouflage. Onboard panels are able to alter their visual characteristics, making detection significantly more difficult. According to satellite surveillance data, the J-50's flight lasted 47 minutes and included the testing of a hypersonic missile, previously classified under the Dark Sword program. Engineers also tested a new type of cyber defense, during which the fighter attempted to counter an external electronic attack in real time, and successfully overcame it without any losses. With the arrival of the J-50, China has officially entered the race for air dominance on a new level. The Chinese military is actively preparing for the wars of the future. Alongside testing the newest fighter jets, engineers from the Chinese company Kestrel Dynamics, one of the leading firms in the field of coordinated unmanned aviation, have demonstrated a swarm of military drones. The demonstration was conducted using Kestrel KD-12 micro-artificial intelligence drones, which are compact and highly maneuverable drones specifically designed for complex missions as part of an autonomous swarm. The company showcased the synchronized takeoff of more than 60 drones, all operating without centralized control. Each unit is connected into a self-organizing mesh network, allowing every element of the swarm to interact with surrounding devices and instantly adapt to changes in the situation. At the core of the drone's intelligent behavior lies a distributed neural network architecture, created through training in simulated environments. The KD-12 drones are capable of analyzing the behavior of their neighbors, forming complex three-dimensional formations and adjusting their flight paths in real time. The swarm is able to make independent decisions, select a leader, assign roles, and complete missions, even if the connection with the ground station is lost. American engineers have no intention of surrendering leadership to China in the field of such developments. American engineers from the DARPA project have demonstrated the sixth field experiment using combat swarm systems. The goal of this project is to develop offensive tactics involving drone swarms in urban and tactically complex environments. While in flight, the drones created a map of the terrain, recognizing buildings, windows, passageways, staircases, and even potential cover points. Each module within the swarm can be reprogrammed on the fly using a real-time interface. This interface allows the operator, even without deep programming knowledge, to assign new tactical objectives through simple visual commands. The experiment demonstrates that multi-level offensive operations without direct human involvement in combat are already possible today. The swarm can capture buildings, hold the perimeter, block enemy retreat routes, and even adapt to new conditions, including mission changes during execution. Drones are already playing a key role in some of the fiercest military conflicts around the world. Recently, the arsenal of the Ukrainian armed forces was expanded with a new development, a Flamethrower drone. Since the beginning of the year, Ukraine's Ministry of Defense has been publishing footage on social media, showing the drones spraying what looks like fiery rain over forest belts where Russian units are concealed. This effect is explained by the chemical reaction of molten metal. The active component of the so-called Dragon drone ammunition is a thermite mixture composed of aluminum powder and iron oxide. The mixture burns at temperatures of up to 2,200 degrees Celsius, making it capable of destroying almost any material, including steel, and even more so, forest trenches and military equipment. The seriousness of the threat posed by this weapon has been acknowledged by the Russian military. The flammable mixture literally burns out positions and forest vegetation, which previously served as cover for Russian troops. The videos published on social media clearly confirm the devastating consequences of the Ukrainian Armed Forces Flamethrower drone in action. All in all, it is a truly powerful weapon. The American company Dynamics has introduced a unique unmanned aerial vehicle called XP-4, which radically changes the concept of vertical takeoff drones. Thanks to its revolutionary transwing technology, this aircraft can fold and unfold its wings directly in the air, transforming from a compact vertical structure into a fully winged airplane. XP-4 is being developed in close collaboration with the United States Navy as part of the Blue Water Maritime Logistics Program. In environments where there are no landing strips, XP-4, with its ability for vertical takeoff and precise landing, becomes a true game changer. At the same time, it is capable of covering distances of several hundred kilometers and transporting cargo weighing up to 20 to 25 kilograms. The Pentagon has already shown interest in this development, and in the near future, XP-4 may well be adopted as a new universal platform for military and humanitarian operations. The American military continues to strengthen its forces through innovative technologies, introducing a new generation of combat drones. One of these advanced devices is TIKAD, developed by the Duke Robotics Company. This unmanned aerial vehicle represents a unique combination of a drone and firearms, capable of performing tasks that were previously available only to ground units. TIKAD is equipped with a stabilized platform that allows the installation of various types of firearms, including rifles and light machine guns. Thanks to its active stabilization system, the drone is able to accurately engage targets even while in flight, minimizing recoil and ensuring high shooting precision. The primary purpose of TIKAD is to provide support for troops during urban combat and to carry out operations in hard-to-reach areas. The Chinese military has unveiled a unique type of reconnaissance unmanned aerial vehicle called Recon Bird, a drone designed in the shape of a realistic bird. This high-tech development is disguised as an ordinary bird both in appearance and in its style of flight. The device is equipped with flapping wings, which allow it to move through the air unnoticed, blending seamlessly into the natural environment. Recon Bird is intended for covert surveillance, intelligence gathering, and video monitoring in high-sensitivity areas. Recon Bird is equipped with high-resolution cameras, real-time data transmission systems, and can be used both during the day and at night, including with the help of infrared sensors. Thanks to its shape and movements, it hardly raises any suspicion, neither from humans nor from most air defense systems. Next in line is the Turkish army. The company Guard has introduced into service the first Turkish combat drone named Songar, a compact yet powerful unmanned aerial vehicle capable of carrying out not only reconnaissance missions, but also combat tasks with high precision. Songar is distinguished by its unique design. It is equipped with a fire stabilization system that allows it to conduct accurate shooting from the air, even during strong vibrations and while in motion. In its basic configuration, the drone is armed with an automatic rifle of a certain caliber and carries up to 200 rounds of ammunition. There are also versions available with a 6-barreled 40mm grenade launcher, modules for dropping munitions, as well as a night vision system and a laser rangefinder. The device can be controlled by an operator at a distance of up to 10 kilometers and can operate in coordination with other drones. Already today, Songar is actively used in border security missions, anti-terrorist operations, and in support of ground forces. Write in the comments what you liked most after watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. See you next time.